Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hire people on Indeed, so let's get right into it. But before I do, let me quickly explain what Indeed is in case you don't know. Indeed is your run-of-the-mill hiring or job-seeking application, very similar to LinkedIn and other similar applications, where you can choose to either be a job seeker or an employer. If you are a job seeker, you can find companies based on certain keywords or locations, company names, etc., build an online resume, and finally, you can contact your potential employers directly using the instant messaging. If you are an employer, you can put out job listings to which people can apply and possibly find a job at your company, and you can also manage all of those applicants much more easily than in the traditional sense with paperwork and having to search through your mails and everything like that. But yeah, if you are an employer and you want to hire people, you'll have to use Indeed for Employers. As you can see, I'm using their article, and I'm going to be using this since I'm not an employer. I don't have a company, but this will be perfectly fine for the purposes of this tutorial. But yeah, as you can see here, you'll need to use the candidate management tool via the candidates tab on Indeed Connect. You might need Indeed Connect for this. But yeah, once you do, just go to the candidates management in the candidates tab. And then once you're here, you want to go to candidates as it has said, and just go to your applicants. Once you're here, you can do a couple of things. You can change their status from the drop down menu to change it either to rejected, accepted, reviewed, and so on and so forth. And you can filter candidates through certain keywords which you are searching for your job. But yeah, once you're here, you can filter out your candidates, search for ones that you think are fitting based on their resumes, change their status, and contact them directly through the instant messaging. And that is pretty much it. The rest is the traditional way with paperwork and so on and so forth, interviews and your recruitment process as is. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.